Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to DM on Instagram. If you are using Instagram and you want to DM or to send direct messages on Instagram, so let's see how you can do that. You have to simply open your App Store or Play Store first, and I recommend you have to check for updates for your Instagram app. So here you have to simply search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find trying to update your app, so after updating, you have to simply go back and open your Instagram app, or if you just have to wait for it until update completes. So after completing the updates, you just have to open your Instagram app, and here just go to the profile of which you want to send a message. So for example, I'm going to select any option from here. So you can choose the profile from your story section. So I'm going to select this one. And once you are on your story or your profile page, you just have to tap on this message option and then tap on this message option here, and you have to try to send any message. So in this way, you can easily DM or to send direct message to any person's profile on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.